Let's get your breaking news that's coming in as the UP police have taken into custody those behind the firing at Disha Patni's residence in Bareilly. There was, in fact, a firing that took place, an exchange of firing, in fact. The two accused, believed to be gangsters, part of the Goldie Brar gang, have now been nabbed. There was a brief encounter that had taken place where we understand that the two accused were in fact shot at in the leg, and that's how they were finally taken into custody. They were heavily armed. They started firing at the police team that had reached the spot where the two accused were hiding. Both of them are now in custody, but there was a brief exchange of fire that took place. Police officials didn't hesitate to fire back. We understand both the accused have been injured and are now hospitalized, getting the necessary treatment. The picture you see on your screens is of the accused who's now in custody. He's the one, along with another accused, who had opened fire at Disha Patni's residence in Bareilly. I want to bring in Arvind Oja for more details on this. Arvind, हमको और जानकारी दे दीजिए कि exactly क्या हुआ?
देखिए, जो दिशा पाटनी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस हैं, उनके बरेली वाले घर पर फायरिंग हुई थी 12 सितंबर को, और फायरिंग के बाद अमेरिका में बैठे गैंगस्टर रोहित गोदारा और जो गोल्डी बरार है, उस गैंग ने जिम्मेदारी ली थी। उसके बाद से ही जो बरेली पुलिस है, उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस दोनों शूटर को तलाश कर रही थी, और फाइनली आज गाजियाबाद में अब से कुछ देर पहले एनकाउंटर हुआ है, जिसमें दो हरियाणा के रहने वाले शूटर, उनको गोली लगी है। ये ज्वाइंट ऑपरेशन है दिल्ली पुलिस स्पेशल सेल की काउंटर इंटेलिजेंस और यूपीएसटीएफ का। दो टीमें थी और ये दोनों शूटरों को गोली लगी है। दोनों को अस्पताल फिलहाल ले जाया गया है इलाज के लिए। जो हमें अभी जानकारी मिल रही है उसके मुताबिक जो जिगाना पिस्टल है और ग्लॉक पिस्टल, दोनों सोफिस्टिकेटेड है वेपन, वो मौके से बरामद हुआ है।
Okay, so the weapons have been recovered. The two accused now in custody. Thanks very much, Arvind, for getting us those details.